Great morning, class 7 student. We are doing chapter number 9, that is respiration. Further, we are on our next topic, that is breathing in other animals. Till now, we have studied about the breathing in human being only. Different organism have different method of breathing. हर एक organism में different method होता है of the breathing process. In organism like amoeba, there is diffusion method ऑफ गैसेस थ्रू द बॉडी सरफेस. अमीबा की बॉडी में सिंपल डिफ्यूजन मेथड से एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस होता है. नो स्पेशल ऑर्गन आर प्रेजेंट लाइक इन लंग्स, लाइक द लंग्स इन ह्यूमन बींग. ह्यूमन बींग में स्पेशल ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट है फॉर ब्रीथिंग प्रोसेस, दैट आर लंग्स. बट इन अमीबा नो स्पेशल ऑर्गन आर प्रेजेंट फॉर द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. Lungs are present in many other animals like cow, goat, dog, frog, lizard, snakes, birds, lions, elephant. All the animals are having the lungs for the exchange of gases. But in many other organism the breathing organs are different. But हर organism में जो breathing organ है वो अलग हैं. Let us study what happen in a cockroach, earthworm, frog and aquatic animal like fish. We are going to study about their breathing mechanism. Firstly, I am going to tell you about the breathing in cockroach. Breathing in cockroach. In cockroach and other insect, oxygen is taken inside the body through the small opening present on the side of their body. These openings are known as spiracles. See the diagram. In case of insect or in case of cockroach, these are the spiracles. Spiracles present है उनकी body surfaces पे. Spiracles. ऑक्सीजन इज टेकन इनसाइड द बॉडी थ्रू दिस ओपनिंग, थ्रू दिस स्पायरेकल. कॉकरोच की बॉडी में, इंसेक्ट की बॉडी में जो स्पायरेकल्स हैं, ये स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स होती हैं, उनकी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट होती हैं फॉर द इनटेक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. नाउ द ओपनिंग आर कनेक्टेड internally with a network of air tubes called trachea. These openings are connected with a tube called trachea for the gases exchange. This is the main trachea for the exchange of gases. These openings are connected by the air tube known as trachea. Next, oxygen rich air enter through spiracles. Oxygen rich जो air है वो enter करती है by spiracles into the tracheal tube. उसके बाद कहाँ जाएगी? Tracheal tube में जाएगी. Diffuses into the body tissue and reaches every cell of the body. The carbon dioxide released by the cell, और जितना भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होगा बाय द सेल, इन द सेम मैनर goes out in the tracheal tube and move out through the spiracles. ऑक्सीजन भी एंटर स्पायरेकल से करेगी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या जितना भी वेस्ट गैसेस है इसकी बॉडी में वो स्पायरेकल से ही बाहर निकल जाएगा. सो देयर इज स्मॉल ओपनिंग दैट इज स्पायरेकल्स प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ इंसेक्ट और कॉकरोच, एंड दिस ओपनिंग connected by a network of air tubes known as trachea for the exchange of gases. Further, I am telling you the breathing in earthworm. Breathing in case of earthworm. Earthworm breathe through their skin. Earthworm breathe through their skin. The skin of an earthworm is moist always. हमेशा चिपचिपी रहती है, नमी रहती है इसकी स्किन पर, गीला रहता है. The skin of earthworm is moist. एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज टेक प्लेस थ्रू द मोइस्ट स्किन. तो इसकी गैस, ये अर्थवॉर्म की बॉडी है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज इसमें कैसे हो रहा है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर मोइस्ट स्किन. ऑक्सीजन इज टेकिंग इनसाइड by the body of the earthworm and carbon dioxide released by the body of earthworm. Next is the breathing in frog. See, lungs are present in the frog. Frog breathe through lungs as well as through their moist skin also. On land, a frog breathes through the nostril and air finally reaches the lungs. You know, frog is an amphibian animal which can survive on land also and in water also. So, when it is on land, it will breathe through the lung. When it is in water, it will breathe through the skin. When in water, it breathes through the moist skin. So, next one is the breathing in fish. Fish. Special organ that is gills are present for the breathing mechanism in case of fish. Special organ gills are present. Now, can you breathe inside the water? क्या आप breathe कर सकते हो when you are swimming or diving? No, you cannot. So divers wear oxygen mask. आप क्या डालते हो अगर आप पानी में रहते हो काफ़ी टाइम तक? ऑक्सीजन मास्क when they go under the water. So fish and many other aquatic animal have a special organ called gill. जितने भी एक्वेटिक एनिमल होते हैं या फिश है उसमें स्पेशल ऑर्गन होता है फॉर द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज दैट इज गिल to breathe under water so that they can easily breathe under water. Gills help them to use dissolved oxygen in water. These gills help them to use dissolved oxygen in water. पानी में क्या है, ऑक्सीजन कुछ अमाउंट में डिजोल्व होती है. So this dissolved oxygen can be utilized by the gills. Gills are protection of skin as well as supplied with blood vessels. These gills are provided with the blood vessels for the exchange of gases. So this was the breathing mechanism in case of cockroach, earthworm, frog and fish. Further we will continue in our next video.